name is David Adefeso. I'm the CEO of the Pacific Group, and I'm here in Texas, and I need to tell you something special that I found out recently. I've been a vegan for almost 10 years, and it's been really challenging for a vegan to find protein. We don't eat meats, we don't eat fish, we don't eat anything that's had a mama or a papa. And so it's really hard for us to find, proteins and all those amazing nutrients and vitamins that you get in meat. We don't get those things like iron. So I've been trying all sorts of things. I've been trying all sorts of proteins and all sorts of stuff to feel good. And recently I met Dr. Olabin at Living Spring Medical. She's one of my favorite clients, by the way. And you know what she did? She turned me on to something that I'm going to turn you on today. And if you use it, hopefully you'll feel the same way that I do. A few months ago, she turned me on to this thing called LivePure protein shake. This is the vanilla. It's actually my favorite, but I also like the chocolate. But let me tell you something, what happened to me. So I started with just mixing this with regular oat milk. I like it's vegan, and I get the taste of milk without milk itself. It tasted really good, and I enjoyed it. And then I discovered something that changed my life. Instead of breakfast and lunch, guess what I do? I take this with a couple of scoops. I put it into 8 to 10 ounces of oat milk. I add berries. I add strawberries. I add raspberries. I add all sorts of berries in there. I add a little bit of banana, and I put it in a shake for about 20 seconds. I mix it up. And for those of you who like sweeter things, you can add a little bit of agave. And I pour it, and it's absolutely delicious. Now I don't even eat breakfast anymore. I drink my breakfast. I get all the proteins and all the vitamins that I need. Guess what I do with the chocolate? I don't put that in the shake. I'm a chocolate kind of guy, and it's so challenging for me to find chocolate. The only thing I can eat is dark chocolate. The problem is dark chocolate doesn't taste that good. And so I actually have to, give up chocolate. I've had to give up chocolate for a long time. So I take this chocolate and I simply just mix it in oat milk and I drink it. It is really good. But that's not all. I discovered the second thing that almost changed my life. Do you know what it was? Black coffee. I'm a coffee drinker. I work really hard. I don't sleep a lot. And so I'm tired very often. Hey, by the way, you should sleep. Don't be like me. And I wake up in the morning, early around 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired. I have to rush down to Starbucks. I started making my own coffee. It took a long time, and sometimes I don't make it the way I wanted to. I discovered this. Let me tell you something. It tastes just as good as any of those Starbucks coffees you want. I drink a lot of this, so I take about 4 to 6 ounces of water. I boil it. I pour one of these into a cup. And let me tell you something. Before I'm done, I drink 3 of these a day, and it always tastes so good. Got it? I would strongly recommend it to you. Thank you.